myself, we will ban you and have the police involved. And I will make sure that everywhere I can find an airsoft facility, I will have you banned. So please, please, please do not steal from your community or from us, okay? That is very important. Everybody likes playing here, so let's keep that going. Admins do have final say on the field. We give you an instruction, whether it's Travis, Brittany, or myself, please follow that instruction to the best of your ability. If you have a question about the legitimacy of that instruction, ask them to step aside and speak with them politely, or come see me as I am the manager, and I will see what I need to do. But 9 times out of 10, that instruction is for your safety and the safety of others, and the preservation of a good time for everybody involved. Alright? If you have any issues with any of the field staff, come see me. If you still have issues, you can go talk to Cope at the big shop, and we'll get that taken care of. He'll probably tell you to send an email with a complaint. If there's any issues that you do have about something going on in the field or whatever, try and see one of us day of so we get it fixed, so it doesn't pop up in a health review 6 months from now. We have no idea what you talked about, we have no way to fix it. If you're not having a good time, please see us, and we will do our best to do what we can to make it a good time for you. If you're having a good time, please hop on Google and all the other ones and let them know that you're having a good time. But give us an opportunity before you put a 1 star, because people aren't coming out of the wood line and playing the game like you like. Alright? Not saying that that's not on Google. Alright, so any questions, comments, concerns, anything I need to go back over, clarify, anything I forgot? Fire. Fire, yes, thank you. In the instance, we are not allowing smoke grenades right now due to Enola Gay causing small fires in different locations in the show. You know they have cold burning smoke, so it's not working out so well. We are allowing the pyro grenades till further notice. As long as you make sure you're not tossing them into like a big brush pile of dry grass or gas cans or whatever. If you do see a fire start up, yell burn, 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 not fire, 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 because somebody's going to keep shooting. Alright? Cool effect for the game, and just keep rolling with it. Yell burn, burn, burn. If you hear burn, 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 and you're under the age of 18, I want you off my field, please. You can come back up here into the safe zone. If you're over the age of 18, you are welcome to assist as we can instruct you. If we say everybody off, everybody needs to leave, no matter what. Is that understood? That is for the safety of y'all and everyone involved. We appreciate any assistance in those scenarios, but we got to keep everybody safe, right?
Right.
Right.